My mother and your mother were washing clothes. My mother gave your mother a piece of cloth. You will continue during the P time and find out which color was it. It's a Teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to Easy Elimu Learning Simplified. Wow, we have been doing measuring in capacity, measuring in capacity, measuring in capacity. Do you remember we did measuring capacity in liters? Yes, when you were in grade 2. Still we are doing it in grade 3. But now in grade 3 we just want to find out how many, the same thing we did in grade 2. For example, look at this. Teacher, you still have the container we used? Yes, I still have this container. And you are counting the number of marks that are on this container. Those are the number of bottles that filled the container. So when you look at this container, how many bottles filled? How many 1 liter bottles, not just bottle. It was 1 liter bottle filled the container. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when I come here, I will basically draw the bottles that filled the container. Have you seen? So how many did we find out that filled the container? No, not this. This is not the jerrycan. The jerrycan is the one that are 5 bottles. Let's look at the big jug and see how many of the bottles filled the big jug. How many of the bottles filled the big jug? So we have 1 liter bottle, then we have another 1 liter bottle. So how many? You're talking about 2 bottles filling the big jug. Then we have seen how many bottles filled the jerrycan. They were 5 bottles. Which are we drawing? Yes. If I draw, you also draw. These bottles are 1 liter bottles. So we are saying 1 liter, 1 liter, 1 liter, 1 liter, 1 liter. This is 1 liter, 1 liter. What of the container? Let's find out how many of them filled this container. We said this jug is equals to a liter as that bottle. So we are saying 1, 2, 3. So how many? We are saying 3 1 liter bottles fill the container. Nice. So we have 1 liter, 1 liter, 1 liter. So someone asks you a question. The capacity of the bucket is dash, not the bucket, the jerrycan. So here I want you to answer this question. The capacity of the jug is dash liters. Okay, then here the capacity of the jerrycan is dash liters. The capacity of the jerrycan is dash liters. And lastly, the capacity of the container is dash liters. Okay, so when you meet tomorrow, we'll be going through and finding out, did people do the right thing or they still have a problem somewhere? The number of bottles is equals to the number of liters, because this is 1 liter, 1 liter. So if 2 of them are the one that filling this jug, the capacity of this jug is 2 liters. Any question? Any problem? I just want to wish you a blessed day. Thank you.